What is everybody? This is part 12 of
Yes.
building a 3D modern portfolio with NextJS13, with TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, with React 3 Fiber to build the 3D aspects of this Apple portfolio, and of course with Spline. Wait, Spline? Spline, right? Yeah, Spline. I think
Yeah,
that's what it's
Spline,
called.
yeah.
That's right. So here's what we've
Yeah.
got so far for us. Again, we've been building this for the past, I think, 10 parts at this point. And so far, let me go and refresh this. We have a pretty cool looking 3D modern portfolio that you will be able to actually create by yourself and showcase this to potential job opportunities. So this is what we got so far. Okay, we've got these 3D objects. We've got this cool looking 3D computer. And the goal is to completely make it look like this. So we have a design here that looks really cool. Of course, it's a mobile friendly as well on the left hand side. And you've got your skills that you can showcase. You've got your actual descriptions. You've got your experience. You've got your projects, pretty much everything. And of course, the let's get in touch form. So yeah, this is an amazing design. Of course, you can actually get the Figma down below in the description, as well as you can code with us in the code sandbox if that's something that you want to do. But other than that, of course, as you know, we've got Daniel. Say what's up, Daniel.
What's up, guys?
You should be like, what's up, Daniel? Yeah, so we're just gonna jump it straight into this. All right, Daniel, so what are we gonna do today? So today we need to go ahead and we need to work on the next part, which is going to be there's a few things. First, you want to integrate a
There's a couple
Giphy
things.
into here, correct? That's number one.
Yeah,
Yes?
so the preview, and then we gotta make it into a component
Yeah.
and duplicate. We actually might have to. We could look into actually implementing Embla as well to create the
Yeah.
horizontal scroll for the cards.
Yeah. I think we can make a very simple horizontal scroll initially, which is like you can just do overflow scroll, which is fine. And then we can do Embla later on as well. Yeah. Yes. There's a few ways to approach it. But right now what we want to do actually is we want to incorporate like a really cool video, a Giphy video that plays when you hover over this image for your project. Like that'd be just a really cool experience. No? What do you think?
I love it. It's like almost like, I don't know, like YouTube, where you can hover over like the thumbnails and it plays like an entire preview. I think that's a really great way to kind of give people an idea of what's going to be going on in that video. I feel like it captures more interest. So especially for a project, I think it's just such a cool feature that's really easy to implement.
Yeah, no, I agree. Yeah. I agree with that. Okay, cool. So let's just go ahead and do that now. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, why not? Let's get right into it.
Awesome. So it looks like to create a hover, this is an example how you would create a hover with something like this, which I think is pretty cool. And it's as simple, honestly, as just creating two images, looks like to me. One is a PNG, then the other one is a what? The other one is just like a Giphy, right? Right here.
Yeah, so I think how we would approach it is we'd create a container for the images. Place the static one is gonna be absolutely positioned. The reason why is so it could sit on top.
Yeah.
And then we just control its opacity, where we set it to 0 when hover over it.
Let's do it. I like it. I like it. So we've got our section right here. This is gonna be where we have the image right here, correct? Yeah, right there.
Yeah. So right now I'm highlighting the current thumbnail.
Yeah.
And we're gonna add some JSX right here to add that cool preview.
Awesome. Let's do it. So do you have the video, the actual Giphy video?
Yes, which we actually, of course, I'll upload it right now.
Yeah. You wanna upload that? Let's do it.
Yeah, of course. Let's do it. So I'm gonna put that in the public folder, which you'll see it right now. So it's in the public folder, so you should be able to preview it. It's a cool, and it shows like the actual gameplay. It's defense, I think, preview.
Oh, blah 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 blah. There it is. Oh, that's sick. Look at how cool that looks, guys. By the way, if you want to create like a Giphy for yourself, like let's just say you have a project and you want to showcase that project, you can use CleanShot, which is kind of how we did it. So CleanShot is a cool program to do it. But there's many ways to do it, honestly. Like to create a Giphy, like a Giphy recorder. Just type in Giphy recorder, extension into Google Chrome, and you're probably gonna find like a cool Giphy capture recorder thing, tool. There we go. Like there's one for there, right? Chrome capture, screenshot, and GIF tool. So as long as you just get that, download that, and you can upload that, and there we go. That's pretty much it.
Oh yeah. A lot of great ways of approaching it.
Yeah, many ways of approaching it. Okay, let's see here. So we've got our preview, man. So does that mean we need to do another image, right? I'm guessing.
Yes. So what we're gonna go back to projects.tsx where all of the project code is.
Mm-hmm.
And then what I'm gonna do is not inside this one necessarily. This is like, this container is what gives the width of this image and everything. Or actually, what?
I think we should create it still.
Maybe we can.
Yeah, I think we can. I think if we just do like an image and we just say image,
we would just need to find a way to placing it on top, because try adding in an image.
Let's see, source. So this one is Web3 defense preview, correct? Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be /defense. So the title or the name of the file is defense_preview.
Okay.
.png.
Defense.
I don't know if you're seeing it updated, because I think it might be a little slow.
Oh, because are you typing?
Yeah. I typed it.
This live typing tool sucks.
In
Code Sandbox. There we go.
Not working as nice as I'd want it to.
No, it does not.
At all.
I would say just do fill as well.
Fill.
Yeah.
Then add, and we could add empty alt, but we could also, if you want to make it do the whole accessible thing, you could add a more descriptive alt tag. Yeah, let's see. I want to see how this works.
Yeah, we can do that. Let's see here. So probably what we need to do is we need to add a position absolute, otherwise it just won't work properly.
Yeah. Oh, I know it's wrong. Okay.
Also,
the file wasn't
it doesn't even, looks like it doesn't even see it. Oh no, it does. Wait, what'd you do?
It's because I used the wrong file extension. I thought it was a PNG for some reason. I forgot it was a GIF. So I just changed the file extension.
Yeah, so there we go. So this one does seem to be working pretty well, right?
Yes, but we need to make, I believe, the static image absolute, so it's sitting on top.
So let's make sure that so let's do it. So this one is gonna be we can call it class name, give it a different class name, is equal to object dash cover, but not cover, but dash, not just cover, but object cover GIF, right?
Is that, wait, that's a Tailwind class?
That's a what?
That's a Tailwind class?
No. no.
Are you just having it on there just so we know that it's a GIF? Is what you're saying.
It should be object cover though. You're right, Bo. Actually, hold on. Right, I got it. Oh, so we should do it the same way as this happened. So here, the normal active.
I think it's just a placeholder kind of class, so you know.
Okay, so I got it. Okay. I got an idea. So what we do is we make this one be static, like so. Check this out. So you go static.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. You go static here. Right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see here. By default, actually, the weird part is that by default, this image is actually position absolute. Did you know that?
Yeah. It is. I believe it. I think it is.
Because you have to set the relative on the parent. You know that?
Oh, yeah. I knew about that. That's why I was kind of curious as would this work if we add both of them.
So what we do is on the hover, bro. Hold on. Watch this. What we do is we just set a different Z index. Is what we do, bro. Yeah, you'll see.
Well, yeah, that's another way we could set one Z index to be higher than the other.
Because right now this one is higher technically. This one, the Giphy is the one that's higher right now. So what we do instead of that is we go to Z index, we go to TailwindCSS, and we go to Z index here. Right? And then we say, so this could be like,
we could do like the lowest one.
Yeah, so like for example, the Giphy is Z0, right? Z-0. This one is Z-10.
Okay.
So watch this. See? Boom.
Nice. We can animate the opacity right here, so we could change the opacity of the static one to be 0 when you hover over it.
Yeah.
Or hover over the container. We actually want to do that when you hover over the whole container, not just the image.
Yeah.
Because once the image disappears, well, actually, no, hold on. Yeah, we could actually do the image now.
I think we still do the image. So we do when we on the hover.
Because you're not removing it. Yeah. It's just hiding.
So on the hover, what you do is you set opacity. So you do hover. Watch.
Oh, I think it's opacity. That's true. Yeah. Makes sense.
Opacity. 0. Bro, watch this. We just crushed this.
Oh, sick, dude. That looks so good. I love
so simple,
man.
huh?
You see how simple that is? Added like a cool, quick preview.
Yeah.
It's simple, and it runs smooth because they both loaded in already. So it's just a matter of changing the.
Dude, so simple, huh?
We could probably add a clean transition from
the
static to the GIF, which can be
done with
transition, and you can transition like all, and do things like that. Yeah. You can specify the duration with the duration.
So we gotta specify the transition first. Yeah. So transition.
Yeah, exactly.
So here, transition.
Yeah.
Do transition, and then we do opacity here. Transition. I would say ease in and out, right?
Yeah. Transition.
Yeah, there we go. This one. Did that do it or no? Kind of did though. No, it does.
Let's see it.
Don't really see it, but it does.
It's there.
It's there.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good.
If you want to increase the duration as well, so if you want it to like be a little bit slower, you can use the duration class from Tailwind.
Let's see. Let's do the duration. So duration, what, 300?
So it goes like duration 150. So it's in milliseconds, I believe.
Yeah. Do you know what the default duration is?
I thought it was like 150, like the lowest one from.
Yeah. Let's do the duration of 300 now.
Yeah. 150 300. It just goes up by like.
Yeah.
150.
Let's
then
see.
it goes to like 700. Or is it? Let's see how it looks.
I don't like that actually. I don't know. Do you like it?
What? Does it look weird?
It kind of doesn't feel immediate.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
I think just the before one was good. Honestly.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. See, this feels better. Yeah, this one feels better.
I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah, love it.
Awesome. Sweet. So we got that one. So dude, that was pretty fast.
It's simple. It looks like a complex process, but it's like totally not at all.
Zona says, "Hello, hi. We are a Latin American multi-chain dev community. Let's go."
Let's go.
Welcome, Zona Tres. Love it. Awesome. So this looks really cool. I really like that. So, okay. I think the other thing we need to do is we need to make this. Well, I think this is fine still. So at this point, we're like pretty much set, honestly. I think what our goal now is to convert this into an actual into a component.
Right? Yeah.
Or is it? It's not a component right now. It's just a project.
Yeah, it's just a project. Yeah, within the main project.
Component. Yeah. So right now, let's just make it into a component. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Kind of like what we did for the experience section.
Yeah. So what do we should say? New file here, project.
Yeah, we'll just call it project.
Project. Project.
You can. I feel like just calling it project.tsx is it's a little cleaner, and it's
.tsx is fine.
It's like singular, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and do const project. Actually, you want to you want to do that? Let's go.
Let's do it.
Yeah, go ahead.
So what I'm going to do is kind of do what you were about to do. Just define the component using the arrow function syntax. And then we'll specify a return with just some placeholders. So like, call this div. We'll say project. This is, and then
nice. So we create a component right there. We export the component.
Exactly.
Like it.
And now what I'll do is I'll just copy everything over, and then we'll slowly kind of replace things with props.
Yeah.
We'll get this set up for now.
Yeah. So you want to go back to projects. You want to copy everything that's like basically, to me, it feels like everything that's like right there. Yeah. Yeah. That makes sense. That's the individual project basically.
So this one, I need to see which okay, it's highlighting that div. Okay, I just want to make sure I don't remove anything I'm not supposed to. So, yep, copy that.
Nice. So we got that. We cut that out. Go back now to project, individual project here. Paste it in.
Place the little individual. I'm gonna add the curly braces.
There we go.
And that's okay that it's like that. It's just because we need to import a couple things. So
yeah, we need to import the image first.
We actually need to import these two things because the link icon.
Oh yeah, that's also in the image. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's gonna be used by every project. It's not a unique icon for an individual project, so we could just copy both.
Nice, awesome.
There we go.
Like it. There we go. Nice. Look at that. And so now, since we imported, now let's go ahead in the project section.
Yep.
We can actually import that. So I'm gonna go ahead and import that, or you want to do that? Okay, that's fine. Just go ahead and do that.
Right here, auto import, bam, just like that.
Nice. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Let's refresh that. And you actually notice it really quickly on the bottom. Yep. Let's see. Boom, right there. So if we replicate this, if we just duplicate it, if we just do Command C, Command V, Command V, Command V, Command. Now we got like six projects of the same, basically. Look at that. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Now, of course, this is not perfect, guys. Okay, so now we need to play around with this a little bit because
yeah.
You see, I was trying to squish. So it's trying to squish things because of overflow. So what I want to do right now, let me look at our 3D model portfolio. So this one, basically, you can see how everything has a padding and a margin, but this one does not, right? So what we want to do basically is let me see here. Let's look at this really quickly here. So by default, what has a margin in the padding? This whole thing has a margin in the padding by default.
Yeah. I don't know if it would help is if we add like gap to them. I don't know if gap would kind of.
So it's not. So it's not. So it's not just that. So let's see here. So let me see here. So let me see. Let me take this out. I want to take this out into a different kind of little thing here. There it is. Okay. I wish I had a bigger screen, but so this one has a margin left. Okay. So look. So we're good at that size. So it does have a margin left. But what about like a margin right? What makes a margin? So we have margin left. What keeps a margin right though? Is this one here? This creates that margin. Okay. So cool. So we need to go to this projects right here, and the goal is actually the problem. I mean, kind of the problem is we want this to be extended. So that's one of the issues. But what you want to do is you could do display flex, but what you want to do is you want to say overflow. Overflow.
Like scroll.
Yeah. Boom. You see? So now
the page overflows.
You see now overflows. You see that? And now what we want to do at that point, once we overflowed it, we want to create that gap, so we can do that gap of, let's just say, what, 20 pixels? Let's just say.
Yeah.
Boom. You see, it's starting to look really good. You see?
Looking better.
Yeah. So maybe like 30 pixels. Let me see here. Yeah. And now we can set a minimum width, because right now it feels like the minimum width is, what is that width?
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, it needs to definitely be a min width.
What is a minimum? So what is that width right now? Let me see. Width is.
It says 500 pixels, but it's definitely not 500 pixels in width.
Question is why? That's an interesting one. Like, why is it being squished? You know what I mean?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I think it's something to do with probably flex properties.
Yeah. So let's see. So the first thing you need to do is overflow scroll and then add a gap. That's the thing. So if we go back to our projects here, we don't even have to have a do we need? No, we do need to add a flex. Actually, we do. So let's see. So overflow scroll. Overflow. There we go. Scroll. Boom. Donezo. That's beautiful. Nice. And then let's add that gap in right there and there. Not hap. Gap. Gap dash. What do you think? How much is that? How much do you think this is? 30 pixels maybe?
About 20 to 30.
Yeah, let's say 30 pixels. Yeah, let me see. So gap dash 30 pixels. There we go. Let's see now. Hey, see? It works, you see? Boom.
Nice.
Now width. This is an interesting one. The width is on the project, yes? Why is the width all of a sudden less than 500 pixels? Maybe it should be min width?
I think it needs to be min because Flex by default, even though they're a width of 500 pixels, it's going to try to squish everything into its container.
Yeah, so let's see. So min width. So let's go ahead and do min width. Boom. Let's see now.
Or, you know what you could do? Is you could probably set Flex shrink to 0 because it'll prevent them from shrinking.
Yeah. Or we could just do this.
What? Oh, the min width? The min width? Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we did that too.
But there's another way if you don't want to mess with that.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean,
No, I think this is great too. This looks
good. So I do want it to extend all the way to the right. No, should we extend it? Because you see on the left here, we have a padding here. But on the right here, we don't. So...
Yeah. If we extend it out, it'll look a lot cleaner too, because you won't see the for some reason, like I feel like when you extend it to the edges, it looks cleaner too.
So how do we do that? So that's an interesting one. So how do we do that? Because we have this default margin left, right, and margin right by default using this with this main here.
I think it's MX auto. It's because of the max width. Unless it's allowed to overflow, but
let's see. That's an interesting one. How do we I do have an idea.
What's the idea?
I do have an idea, bro. Okay. So that's actually pretty genius. So what you do?
The genius idea.
So what you do basically is, you see, so this right here, this width right here is basically being constrained, right, by the parent, right? So by the parent, which is the main. So what you do is you say you actually give it a specific width. You say the width of this, which is the project or whatever this is. The width of the project is actually 100 VW minus whatever this padding is.
The padding, from what I saw, was auto. So it's like, or is it auto? Because like if you go back to where the max width is set, you'll see an MX auto, which is it's just gonna center everything.
Oh my goodness, damn it!
So we could change that.
Yeah, so the auto is interesting. So how do you make the width the
I wonder if we could change things where we could use flex to center things instead of MX Auto.
Yeah, I mean well, you can do that, but that doesn't really solve the issue, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me think here. Because it's centered, it does make it more difficult. Yeah, if there was like a distinct padding, then like, you know, this would be very different.
Yeah, that's true. I get what you're saying.
Any ideas, Daniel?
Thinking, because like, so we know the max width is 1400 pixels right here, but obviously that's a fixed value. I wonder if we could subtract what the actual width of the container is from the whole screen width and then just manipulate that, but I don't know how possible that would be.
Let me see how make the right side of the div take up rest of space. Let's see. It has nothing to do with overflow. Damn it. I'm thinking, I'm not even sure. I mean, I don't know if CSS can do this, maybe. Because you kind of have to calculate. Like, what if you don't do... Can do like margin right, negative auto. Like... Value is 0 or a positive pixel count, right? No, I know that part.
Can we remove like just MX Auto and just add in our own custom margin?
Well, but then the question is, how do you center this still, though, is the question. You know what I mean? You know, like even if you put, even if you forget about the margin, like at the end of the day, this has a max width, right? Right? This is a max width, correct? So, and there's like a specific, and so it will always be centered. So how do you like calculate what this part is? Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You could probably even just set like a, I don't know, like how we could get an exact like value right here. If we could just fucking.
Because this looks cool. Like I do like this, right? But what would be cool is it fully extends to the right side to the edge. Extend div to right edge. Let me see. Oh, hold on. This could be like similar to what we have, I think. So he's using margin 0 auto. Look.
He's using that's MX Auto.
Ah, look, he's using. Oh.
I was thinking about absolute position, but like I know that could.
I was thinking about that too. Yeah.
A bit of a pain to kind of.
Yeah. Manage. So you see, he has the margin 0 auto.
Yeah.
See, I'm not sure that you can find only CSS solutions. So you can add some jQuery.
Yeah, because you can't really just like do that with just pure CSS. That's what I've seen.
Yeah, blah 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 blah. Calc. Huh. Yeah, that's weird, bro.
Yeah.
No?
It's weird. I almost think you can just give it a large viewport width, and then just so it can just flow over. Like it doesn't have to be like perfectly where it just hits the edge. It can overflow the edge a little bit, but it'll still kind of have the same effect.
But that's not perfect, Daniel.
It don't need to be perfect.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does, Daniel. And my book, it does. Okay. And my book, it does, Daniel. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. This is not the first time. Someone said grid. Yes, we can. But grid will not push the div to the right. Because like our goal, guys, is like, if you notice here, right? You see how here, right? This has this space here, and then it extends over to the right side, right? Well, the thing is, right now, this is inside this center div. Everything's inside here. So it's like, how do you extend this div to be fully width of 100%, right? So that's the calculation that needs to be made, which is really difficult to make, basically, is kind of how you want to think about it. Only JavaScript can make the calculation, but CSS-wise, I don't know if that's possible in just CSS. Like, see, this is being cut off, right? So how do we extend it to where it's like here? Daniel, huh? What do we do?
That's a good question.
Psh, how do you not know the answer to that, huh? How do you not know the answer to that?
Something we gotta learn.
Okay, let's keep searching. Hold on. Goes to negative values. No, I think the one I was looking for was like extend div to right edge. Beyond the parent div. Okay, look, expanding beyond the parent div. Oh. Oh. Oh! Wait. Yeah. Container width, nice. 500. What? What is this shit? Margin left 200%. Width 500. How is that even possible? Then remove the overflow hidden. So, I mean, we don't have overflow hidden. I mean, I mean, are you talking about on this main? Right? I mean, we don't have an overflow hidden here. So we have, even if we do, if we do overflow show, that's like just like, let me see, not visible. Like, see, I had set the overflow to be visible here. And then this one right here, right? This one has these projects. The question is, how do we figure out, how do we set that div to be, like, this is overflow scroll, as you notice here, right? You see? So it's like, the problem is that we need to make this div be like a full width, like a width of like 100%, but like plus some. Wait, what happened?
No idea.
What did I just do? Bro, what did I just do? Why is this right now? What the hell? What? Look.
What happened?
I don't know.
Probably just needs a refresh because you didn't change anything in the sandbox.
Wait, what I just do? Look. Fit content?
Like
Oh! Wait. Oh, wait.
Wait, where is the scroll overflow scroll on it?
Ah, because the width is fit content. Someone said if you can't see part 1 or part 2 pillars, you go back to my video section. I need to add the part 1 and part 2 to the thing. So to my videos on YouTube channel, and you will see it. Someone said forget the left side. Forget the left side. The left side will die. That's true. I could put a div. That's true. Let me see. Width. Wait. Width. What is max content? Nope. That's weird. The hell is this shit? That's weird. Min content? Daniel, we gotta find a solution, Daniel. Come on. No. Use your smart brain. Use your smart brain. Not visible. See, what if I just do this? No, see, it's like, okay, overflow hidden. Let's see. Ah, piece of shit. Okay, visible. But like, I want it to be scrollable. No. Like, I mean, Daniel, what do we do?
Turn primer with values.
Some just use like weird width margin left 500%. How do you extend our div? Like make a div expand widthwise on the right and left to max. There's gotta be a way out. Some said, I fell in love with your design. Thank you. Glad you guys loved it. Glad you guys love the design.
Nice.
His name is Jaume. That's a cool name, Jaume.
Nice.
Where are you from, Jaume? So set the div to position absolute. Dude, that's a difficult solution, man. Because I can do the fit content thingy. That's fine. Like, that's okay. But you see, now it scrolls. Yo. Welcome.
Nice.
Man, this is a head scratcher.
It really is. Yeah.
Let me see. Have a center. Okay, what if we ask ChatGPT?
Ask ChatGPT.
Should we do it? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Let me see. It's like the only solution I think I can think of right now is ChatGPT. Let's see. Okay, so let's do this. So we have a div in the center. Okay. the child div needs to be centered, but the right side needs to extend to the edge of screen. What the hell does that mean? What? Huh? Bro, look. Daniel.
No, I'm watching.
But then if it's 100 VW though, that's still a problem. But the problem is that width of 100 VW will overflow yes, but margin is auto. Oh, what the hell? You think this will work, bro?
What?
Look.
Like some eCam things like blocking the chat GPT for me.
Oh, my bad. Hold on. Where's the eCam thing?
It's this eCam live program. Like this little square box. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
It's out. So it says,
I don't know how right 0 would work because if the parent container, unless the parent container is the container outside of the container with the max width, that would make more sense. Because like, you know, the container that has a max width of 1400 pixels, because say if you set that one to be the relative container for this.
What is that? Does transform? But does transform, does it actually have to be bleh?
Translate. I don't know if I've seen that one.
Just thinking here. Yeah, somebody said, Homer said it's a good, so the solution with the translate could work. But yeah, it does break the container because it's using position absolute. So that's the only problem with that. It's like, because we use position absolute, that breaks the whole container side of things.
Yeah, the position is just gonna, it's just gonna throw it like completely out of the flow.
Like, we could probably do this if we know what this, like, if only I knew what the hell this was, like the width of this was, then everything could change. You know what I mean?
Yeah, oh yeah, if we had that, we would have already.
But the thing is, we don't know what that is.
That's a fucking MX Auto.
Or do we? Hold on.
How would?
Hold on. What if? Hold on. Here's the thing. We kind of know what that is, though. Hold on, because look at this. Think about this. This right here is 100%, right? This is 100% of whatever the fuck this is, right? Yeah. Right? So calculate 100% minus 100 VW.
Mm-hmm.
Then you'll get... Oh, bro, hold on. This is so smart. So look, what we can do is we can make a calculation here. So the width of this right now, hold the phone. Bro, check this out. So forget the width of fake content. Here. So just say auto right now, right? Width is like 100%, which is whatever the fuck this is, right? So width 100%. But all we can do is we can say 100% minus, no, actually it's 100 VW minus 100%. Oh, wait. And then you divide that by 2. You're gonna think I'm crazy a little bit here.
I was thinking about that because I was thinking, what if we were able to subtract the width of the container?
Yeah. So look, by finding whatever this thing is, whatever the little, so like what we can do is like this. Yeah, it's
that
basically
should give you
like
the spaces on the outside.
Yeah, so
it's
like
2.
Exactly. So it's like 100 VW. So it's 100. So think about it. Minus 100%. If you divide that by 2,
yeah,
this is gonna make it really small. No, not possible.
Oh, you need to specify calc.
Oh, my bad. Hold on. Oh, look. Look, it did it. Look. So look. So that exactly calculated whatever the left side is. So if you notice here, this width.
So
you see this width? So this width is right now is 100. It's 204 pixels. It's the exact same width, I believe, or whatever this is.
Then you would subtract that whole thing from 100 VW?
Yep. So now, yeah, bro, now you're talking. Now you're talking. Now you're doing 100 VW.
Does the scroll work? If the scroll works, that's a fucking genius.
This works, look.
Dude, Prospective opened up the fucking possibilities for everything once we figured this shit out. Damn, man.
Okay, so it's not perfect yet. It's kind of like...
It's not perfect.
So you see there is still some overflow on the other side. So...
Yeah.
So it's because 100% is still like... Oh, wow. Dude, this is so smart.
Math. They said we didn't need it.
They said we couldn't do it. Someone said, Halma was like, oh gosh, that's brilliant. Thank you. So the reason why it's still not perfect is because this also has like a weird width. You see, so this has the width of like, because 100%. So here.
Whatever that margin is, you gotta...
Yeah, we gotta remove that too, I believe. I think it's the margin. Yeah, so let's add that in first. Let's just do this with... Dude, this is crazy.
This is beautiful.
Oh, I love it. I love math, man. Like, math is just so good. Math is just like the pinnacle of life.
Yes. Oh yeah. No.
Yeah. So let me see. Projects.
We would add that to the container, and then I wonder if we could just use.
Where's the global CSS? We do a projects container
yeah.
here. I don't think you can. I don't think you can use the.
You don't think you can use a square bracket, huh? You just have to use.
I have to do projects
CSS.
container.
Oh yeah, actually, let's use that class here.
Right there. So that's the same container that we have here. So if I refresh this now, actually no, it's perfect. Well, actually no, not fully perfect. I need to remove some padding. Looks like there's still some padding here that I think I need to figure out. Like, do you see there's like looks like, I'm curious what that padding is. You see? Wow. Bro, but that's so good though. Oh, wow. Damn. So check this out. So let's add this. Let's add a margin. I think we should do like Like a margin right a little bit, no?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. People said it couldn't be done.
We did it.
Let's do a margin right on this thing. Let's see. Or a padding right. No, padding right. Because padding right, does padding right include... Actually, 30 pixels. Let's see. Does padding right, when you do width, is padding included in the width?
When you do border, like when you set that border box sizing, I believe that they do account for padding in it.
So let's see. So I need to subtract. I believe I need to subtract like some pixels, like calc 100 VW. Wait. I think I screwed up this thing. Is this right? Hold on.
That's the right calculation. Yeah.
Oh no, I'm right. Yeah, that's right. Minus 30 pixels. Minus. Let's see. No, still not. Still more. Minus 30 pixels. Let's see, refresh this. No, still a little bit more. Or no. Let's see. No? I think that's it. No, actually, no, a little bit. You see the little tiny? I don't know exactly where it's coming from. But it could be like 35 pixels. Let's see. Let's refresh this. That's it.
Nice.
No, still a little bit. Shoot. Still, there's like this tiny bit. Right here. See? So let's do
I see
minus 40 pixels. Oh, not 40. No, minus 40 pixels. Let's see. Okay, now I think that's it. There we go. Done.
Nice. This is sick.
Just by doing math and like figuring out what math is, you know?
Oh man, yeah. Math is huge.
Yeah. You know what we should also do? Now we should also add a small like transition inside here. We did the same thing here in perspective, like when we built this website. I remember the roadmap here. If I scroll, actually no, here, you see on the right side, there's like a transition here. You notice that? So we can actually do that here too. Like add like this little transition at the bottom here. And then
that'd be cool.
Yeah, so but bro, there's our you know, I think what we should do is, you see, we should change the color of the scroll. You see the scroll? See? So we should make...
we can stylize the scroll bar.
Yeah, the same things we did here. So this is the same thing as we did here on this website when we launched this. Same thing. We overwrote the scroll CSS, or I think Jesse did.
Yeah.
But this was smart.
That was good. That's really good, man. Love it.
Oh, so there you go. We got the Giphy working. We've got this working. This is looking really good, by the way.
Oh
this
yeah, it's looking so awesome.
Good. Yeah. And the design is like, even in mobile, it's gonna look amazing too. Like, look at this.
I know. It's basically mobile friendly at this point.
Yeah. And then you can just scroll to the right side to see more projects. Ooh, look at that. Like when you click on that, it will take you to the next project. Ooh, nice. That's sick. That's sick.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited for that. So yeah, guys, that's it. I mean, that's it for today. I do have to go here for another meeting here really quickly. But there it is. We figured it out. Without position absolute, without nothing else. Just math.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
The one cool thing about CSS is the kind of calculations you could do.
Mm-hmm. Which I think is pretty cool. You know? Which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, without the CSS calculations, we would not be able to do this. Yeah.
Not at all.
No.
Yes, it's just web development has come a long way, and it just gets better and easier.
Yeah.
As the time.
Yeah,
flies.
that's valid.
Yeah.
That's valid. So, anyways, guys, that's it. In that case, hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Bye, everybody.
Peace.